What if the smallest drone in DJI's lineup suddenly became powerful enough to challenge bigger models? What if a palm-sized flying camera could deliver pro-level color, longer flight time, and smarter safety features, all while staying beginner-friendly? That is exactly why the DJI Neo3 is creating so much buzz right now. Leaks are increasing. Prototype sightings are being discussed in drone communities. Insider reports are hinting at a late 2026 launch. And if these rumors are true, this tiny drone could become one of the biggest surprises of the year. DJI's Neo series has always focused on simplicity. Small size, easy launch, quick capture for social media. The idea is simple: take it out, launch from your palm, start recording, no complex setup, no heavy controller required for basic use. That is why creators, travelers, and beginners loved the previous Neo models. But now, DJI may be preparing to take this concept much further. The biggest rumored upgrade is the camera sensor. Reports suggest the Neo3 could move from the smaller 1.2-inch sensor to a larger sensor. This may not sound dramatic at first, but in the world of cameras, sensor size changes everything. A larger sensor can capture more light. More light means better low-light performance. It means clearer night shots. It means less noise in darker scenes. It also improves dynamic range, which helps the drone capture more detail in both shadows and highlights. So sunsets look richer, city lights look sharper, indoor footage looks cleaner. There are also rumors about 10-bit D-Log-M color support. If this is true, it is a big deal for creators. 10-bit color allows more color information in every frame. This gives you more flexibility when editing. You can adjust colors without breaking the image. You can create cinematic tones. You can match footage with other DJI cameras more easily. Add enhanced HDR recording to that, and the Neo3 could become a serious tool for short-form content creators who want their videos to stand out on platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Now let's talk about flight time. One of the biggest limits of small drones has always been battery life. Because they are compact, they carry smaller batteries. But leaks suggest the Neo3 might offer up to 24 minutes of flight time per battery. That may not sound huge compared to larger drones, but for a palm-sized aircraft, it is a strong improvement. Extra minutes in the air mean more chances to get the perfect shot, more flexibility during travel, less stress about landing too soon. If DJI has improved motor efficiency and power management, this could make the Neo3 much more practical for daily use. Safety is another area where DJI seems to be focusing. Earlier Neo models mainly used forward and downward sensors. That worked, but it had limits. Now rumors point to a new tridirectional obstacle sensing system. If this becomes reality, it could significantly improve autonomous tracking and indoor flying. For beginners, this is very important. A small mistake should not lead to a crash. Better sensing means the drone can detect obstacles more intelligently and adjust its path. That makes it more reliable for casual users who just want smooth tracking shots without worrying about every wall or tree branch. Connectivity may also see a major upgrade. Some reports suggest the Neo3 could use DJI's O4 Plus video transmission system. If that happens, the drone might achieve a transmission range of up to 10 kilometers in ideal open conditions. That is impressive for such a compact device. While most users may never fly that far, stronger transmission usually means a more stable connection, clearer live view, and less signal drop in challenging environments. And that improves overall confidence while flying. Competition in the lightweight creator drone market is growing fast. Brands like Hoverair are pushing compact drones designed specifically for content creators. They focus on automation, tracking, and simplicity. But DJI still has one major advantage: its ecosystem. DJI's app experience, software stability, flight algorithms, and long-term support are hard to beat. If the Neo3 combines improved hardware with DJI's mature software system, it could easily dominate the entry-level segment again. Now let me give you my honest opinion. If the Neo3 launches with a larger sensor, 10-bit color, improved obstacle sensing, and longer battery life while keeping a reasonable price, it could become one of the most popular beginner drones of 2026. It would not just be a toy, it would be a serious creative tool in a tiny body. For travelers, vloggers, and social media creators, that combination is extremely attractive. However, everything depends on pricing. If DJI keeps it affordable, it will be a massive success. If the price goes too high, many beginners may look at alternatives. At this moment, the DJI Neo3 is still unofficial. Nothing has been confirmed directly by DJI, but the growing number of leaks and discussions suggest that something exciting is coming. A better camera, longer flight time, smarter obstacle sensing, stronger transmission technology, all packed into DJI's smallest flying camera. So now I want to ask you, what feature would make you upgrade to the Neo3? Is it the larger sensor, the longer battery life, or the improved safety system? Tell me your thoughts in the comments below. And if you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that.